Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Attack Shark X11 mouse software, full setup and configuration guide. First, open your web browser and visit the official Attack Shark website. Download the mouse software that matches your specific mouse model. After the download finishes, run the installer and follow the on-screen steps to complete the installation. Once installed, open the software from your desktop or Start menu. The main interface will display a mouse diagram with numbered buttons such as left click, right click, scroll click, side buttons, and the DPI button. On the left side, you can change button settings, assign different functions, or create custom actions using the macro manager. You can also create and manage profiles for different uses, such as gaming or work. On the right side, you'll find DPI settings where you can adjust sensitivity levels and create multiple DPI stages. You can also change options like polling rate, mouse attributes, power management, click response time, ripple control, and angle snap for better performance. At the bottom, you can check the mouse battery level or reset the profile to default settings. After making your changes, click Apply to save them, and your mouse will use the new configuration. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.